How to use Monday.com automations. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can get started with Monday.com automations. So let's get into it. Now, this is a beginner-friendly tutorial and this is a very simple to follow tutorial, so you can follow along and create your own automations for your workspace. Now, to get started, you will have to log on to your Monday.com account, and Monday.com is available for free, but you will not be getting automations for free. So if you want to run automations on your workspace like these, you will actually have to upgrade to a premium version of Monday.com. And I will discuss the pricing and plans of Monday.com later on. But to get started with our automation, you can get a 14-day free trial for any of the premium versions of Monday.com, and you can just get started with that and later on upgrade and pay for the plan that you like the most. Now, to get started, I have this board over here, and you can click on add over here on your left, and then you can click on new board, and then you can create a new board to start inputting your own personal data. I just have this empty kind of a data over here. So this is like named sales, and let's say I group this into ideas, and then I can group this into current plans like so, and you are going to add your own accurate information. Now, once you do that, you're just going to click on automate over here on your top right, and you can create multiple different automations on a singular board. Now, on your left, you have these categories of automations, preset automation templates that Monday.com has available for you that you can pick out from. So all of the basic automations like notifications, recurring events, status changes, due dates, item creation, move items, sub items, dependencies are available as templates on Monday.com. But if you have something that is more unique and if you want it to be custom tailored to the tasks that you have, you can also click on custom over here to create your own custom automation. Now, to get started with our board, let's say I want to add a few automations. First off, I want to be notified. So let's say that I'm going to click on the notification category, and when the status changes to something, notify someone. So I'm going to use this template, and when the status changes to stuck, notify person, and I want it to be me. So whenever the status of a task is changed to stuck, so if someone is stuck on a task, I would be notified, and I can just click on create automation over here. And once I do that, I have this simple and easy automation running, and you can turn off automations according to your needs. So if there is a week off that you're not going to be working, you can turn off these automations so you are not notified and later on get back on track by turning on the automation without having to recreate the automation that you initially had. Now, if you click on your automation center once more, you can add as many automations as you want, up to 250 automations on the standard version of Monday.com. So if I click on recurring over here, so every time period create an item. So what I like to use this kind of automation for is team meetings. So I just like to use this template, and let's say monthly or weekly. So let's say every month on the 19th or 14th, depending on however long you want this to be. So every month on the 8th, the 21st, and then the 29th, add one day, create a new item in the current plan called team meeting, like so. And I'm going to click on create automation. So on those specific dates, this item would be created, which would be called team meeting, and you can set the due date for the team meeting to the next day. So people would be notified a day prior to when the meeting is actually going to occur. Now, so on, if you go on to your automation center, you can add any of these automations. You have a lot that you can work with in terms of templates and in terms of general templates that you can get started with. You can move on to sub items and dependencies as well. So if you have like a large task that has multiple subtasks or dependencies, you can add a notification. So when a person finishes a part of their task, they would automatically be notifying the next person that they have finished the task and they can begin working on it. So this is very helpful if you are doing a large team task in which coordination is an important function. Then running these automations can really save you a lot of time and a lot of effort. So you can also create custom automations, and you can click on create custom automation, and you can choose what the initial change needs to be. So These are the most used ones and these are the essentials, or you can click on more options over here and then you can search for a specific kind of triggers that you want for your automation. So let's say that whenever a MailChimp campaign is sent, then I want to create an item and I want it to be in the ideas group and I want the new item to be, or I want it to be in the current plans and I want it to be MailChimp campaign like this, and I can add the status to done and I can add the date to whenever it is created and I can click on create automation. And obviously you're going to have to link your MailChimp account over here to create this automation. Now, the best part about these automations is that if you go back onto your dashboard and if you click on integrate over here, you can integrate multiple different applications onto your MailChimp dashboard. And what you can do with those integrations is that you can create automations depending on the integration you have. So as I showed you guys, that was for MailChimp, but you can create integrations for any kind of application that you are using. So let's say if you're using Google Drive for storage, then you can use a automation that whenever something is uploaded on Google Drive, you would automatically be notified. So you can really add a very variable variety to your MailChimp or to your Monday.com automation center and create a very vast variety of different kinds of automations. So this is great and all, but the sad part is that automations on Monday.com are not available for free. So if you take a look at their pricing and plans, the individual version of Monday.com, which is the free version, is available for up to 2 members in one team, and you cannot create any automations. And the $8 basic version, which builds up to $24 per month if it is built annually, also does not have any automations whatsoever. The one that begins to have automations is the $10 standard version, where you get access to over 250 automations and 250 integrations. And then you have the pro version starting at $16 per seat per month, where you get access to over 25,000 automations and integrations. Now, I would recommend to most and all people that they should upgrade to the standard version of Monday.com. It provides you with the most value for your money. And if you're really going to upgrade from the free version and you upgrade to the basic version, you're definitely going to feel like it's a very lackluster experience. If you just add $2 more to your subscription, you're going to be able to get a more premium version of Monday.com with all of the features that you would need. And you're now able to create your own automations like these on your Monday.com dashboard. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the YouTube channel and comment down below the best tips and tricks that I have taught you within this video. And make sure to also share this video with your friends and family and to other creators as well so you can help them out as well, and to anyone that might need to know this basic detailed platform and how you navigate through these different social websites. So I hope this was helpful enough for you, and make sure that you do leave a comment down below if I missed out on anything and if there is anything you would like to add, and I will catch you guys in the next video.